Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check what you like on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Liking a post on Instagram isn't only for engagement. Your like posts are saved to your Instagram account. You can review your like post anytime from any platform that lets you access Instagram. And in this video, will show you how to do it, how to see your what you like on your Instagram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on your activity here. On interaction section, you can see there is an option likes. You can just tap on that. And here's all posts like reels, posts, or videos that you like on your Instagram account. Here's all what you like on Instagram. You can also filter this section. If you want to see from the oldest to the newest, you can just choose like this. If you want to see the newest to oldest, you can just choose like this. You can also filter by date, from the past week, all date range, past month, maybe past year, like this. You can also choose the date range. You can also see the all content type like posts, reels, or threads. If you only want to see reels, you can just tap on reels and you can apply. So here's all the reels that you like on Instagram. So that is how to check what you've liked on Instagram. So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.